Alright, today we have a DE 350Z, and I'm going to teach you how to remove your strut bar. It's really hard. Watch out. Alright, so we're going to grab a flathead, needle nose, and then a 14, and we are going to go through here and just disconnect everything from the strut bar. So that's a power cable from the battery. Undo that, and then we'll go to the driver's side, and there's normally two little connectors in here. And what I'll do is I'll just grab needle nose, and I'll just wiggle those guys in because you don't want those to break, so you can have the harness kind of attached to it. All right, and then everything is disconnected from the strut bar. And there is also one right here, but that one's broken. Cars are old. People have been working on these things, so just grab a 14. You're gonna have 2 nuts and 6 bolts. And the resistance on these bolts coming out, it feels like somebody kind of just found a thread that they liked and sent it in. The strut towers, they tend to strip really easily, so when you're putting this back together, there's an adjustment right here. So this can apply pressure to the strut towers. What I like to do is I'll loosen this and then find out the happy spot with the strut bar on the with the strut towers, and then once it's tightened down, I'll open this up and put the resistance on it. It doesn't need to be anything crazy, but it's just a little extra bracing. So yeah, it should not be coming out that rough. And you can see right when that last one came off that it kind of moved. And then once you have those 6 bolts and 2 nuts off of there, you're just going to lift straight up. And just like that, your strut tower braces off.